Now you do something funny. Here are the world's top 100 biggest economies in 2026 by PPP GDP. Starting with China, followed by US, India, Russia, Japan, Germany, Indonesia, Brazil, France, UK, and Turkey. Seems easy enough, right? No. France made the spelling wrong. South Africa's name Kalanoya, Canada and Malaysia wrong flags. There's no data by trillions. Singapore has a Singaporean flag and not Japan. UK and US and now repeatedly United Republic and not state. France na naman. Every na. Now those places are AI generated words that cannot spell without your own resistance and your own fantasy. Well, ha 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 ha. Tapos sa akin na naman. Pointan, this is the Philippines. Oh no, this is not the Philippines pala. Kaya sa Mantito, look, we have 1 trillion the Philippines by PPP. This is just AI generated. Oh, what's about? You have a Gemini. They have Gemini. Of course, it wasn't by ha 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 ha.